What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing video. This one is a bit less planned than the last one. This one I actually received this package today while I was editing the PNS Brake Buster video there, and I got this package in the mail, and it looks as though Chris from Carzilla and the team over there sent this out to me. I know what's in it because I did get the email, but even then we'll still unbox it. I don't know the exact details of all the products that are in there. I kind of glanced at the email real quick, but all I gotta say is, Chris, if you're watching this, and the rest of the team at Carzilla, you guys are way too good to me. Way better than I deserve, so thank you so much for sending me this product. So let's get it unboxed and see what it is. Got the unboxing knife. Like I said, if you know what knife this is, comment down below. It's one of my favorite knives and definitely something I like to EDC. Use for unboxing videos. Oops. I'll kind of just unbox whatever's in there and then place it here so we can get this box out of the way. I'm starting to run out of space here. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Has my address on it. Okay, so see some stuff here from Big Boy. Let's go ahead with this first. The Big Boy electric sprayer. Check that out. That is freaking cool. Interesting shape. So it looks like it's a little spray bottle there that's powered. 90 minutes of working time. Sweet. Put that to the side. Everything I do unbox here, I will make separate videos on all this stuff. Like I said, I didn't pay for any of this stuff. They sent it to me. So, again, thank you so much for that. Small channel like myself, I'm super humbled. And this is another one here, the Big Boy. Now, this looks more like my IK foamer. And what does this do? So, it looks like it's an electric foamer. That's the front of the box right there. Check that out. 2,500 milliamp hour battery. Copper motor, made for detailers, big mouth, easy to fill cannon, pressure rate 2.5 bar, no pumping, charge, fill, foam. So 60 minutes of working time, that's pretty cool. Definitely a luxury product though. Definitely a luxury product. But all the foaming or all the pumping you have to do with this guy here, the IK, the Foam Pro 2. This works really well, but you have to sit there and you have to keep pumping it up. And every wheel or so, you have to pump it up again. So this guy here, the fact that it's battery powered, will actually be pretty cool. We'll test it out. We'll see what kind of foam we can get. And we'll see if we can actually get the actual 60 minutes of working time and the 90 minutes of working time out of that guy. So let's put those to the side. There's one more thing in here by the looks of it. This is a much bigger box. And I'm dropping things all over the place here. Like I said, my workbench is starting to get a little full. Running out of stuff, I have to reorganize everything. This one here. Okay, let's put this box to the side. It's empty now. Sweet. So that is a Marilex Axle 2000 foamer. Look at the packaging on that. That is freaking impressive. That looks like a high quality product. So over 30 years of experience making sprayers. If you look there, super nice packaging. That's all I gotta say there. Let's see. I haven't used any of these products or any products for that matter from Big Boy or Marilex. So if you have and you've got experience with any of these, let me know in the comments below what the brand reputation is here. I've heard of Big Boy. I was actually interested in one of their pressure washers for a while there. Just never pulled the trigger. No pun intended. But definitely excited to give all of these a try. Like I said, this video wasn't a deep dive into any of these three products. It was just an unboxing to showcase what the good folks over at Carzilla sent me. And like I repeated a few times, a huge shout out to them. Thank you so much for sending me these products. Again, way better than I deserve. Carzilla is one of those companies that I've been a customer of theirs way before I ever became an affiliate, before I even had a YouTube channel. I was buying products, and I still buy products under my personal name quite often. And the customer service is second to none in my opinion. That's why I use them exclusively now. If you want to check out any of the products here or any of my other detailing products or pretty much anything on this channel, most of it does come from Carzilla, and you can save 5% using my discount code CARDetailing5 if you want to. It's up to you. I don't want anybody to have to buy products. Just buy whatever you need, and if you want, go to Carzilla, use my discount code. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Look out for all of these featured in their own videos coming up in the future. Take care. See you later.